Now, the Teacher Service Commission has tonight started the training of at least 18,000 teachers from across all primary schools in the country. The training seeks to equip the teachers with fresh skills, particularly on how they will handle learners in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Makori Ongechi reports on that latest development in the education sector ahead of the reopening of schools in January.
The next 10 days will be crucial for the Teacher Service Commission as it seeks to empower teachers on how to handle learners, particularly those in lower classes from January as the country grapples with the realities of the COVID-19 pandemic. At least 18,000 teachers from across public schools and private schools will be undergoing training. The Teacher Service Commission Director for Quality Assurance and Standards, Dr. Ruben Ntamburi, while acting on behalf of TSC CEO Dr. Nancy Macharia, notes, due to the current situation the country is facing on the COVID-19, we require to re-engineer the teacher training modalities, observing all the Ministry of Health guidelines. The focus of the training is to impact learners in lower classes who are largely perceived ignorant or are likely to forget some of the COVID-19 guidelines. Regional directors and TSC county directors have been directed to release 2 teachers of grade 1 and 2, 2 others in grade 4, and head teachers of all respective primary schools for the training. While the competency-based curriculum as early introduced focuses largely on the level of interactivity among learners, TSC seeks to equip teachers with new styles of teaching, whereby the arrangement of desks in classes is to change, and instead of learners facing each other, the arrangement of desks will be positioned towards a similar direction. Some subjects are to be taught differently. For instance, the CBC early grade mathematics for grade 1 and 2 will not be as interactive as before. The directive to county directors of education reads in part, all the CBC trainings should involve the grade 4 teachers drawn from the private schools in all the zones. Teachers for grade 1 and 2 from private schools should be invited during the CBC training from 21st and 22nd December 2020. All learners are expected back in school in the next 2 weeks after lost academic calendar year. Makori Ongechi, Citizen TV, Nairobi.